टेक फ्री लाइव क्लासेस, बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन पे जाओ, यहाँ लाइव आइल्स क्लासेस पर क्लिक करो, ज्वाइन नाउ पर क्लिक करो। जैसे ही आप ज्वाइन नाउ पर क्लिक करते हो, जूम ऑटोमेटिकली ओपन हो जाता है और आप डायरेक्ट लाइव क्लास को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू, मनप्रीत?
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Manisha.
Okay, I can see your name as one plus.
Okay. Sorry for that.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Manisha Patel. I live in Surat. I'm a working woman.
Okay, so you're planning for IELTS.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, academic or general?
Academic, ma'am.
Academic. And what's your desired band score?
It's a 6.5.
6.
Actually, I have prepared many tests, but I got sometimes 6 and 6.5.
Mm-hmm.
So I think if I achieve 7 or above that, then
Hmm.
I can achieve my desired band score in real test.
Okay. And which country are you planning for?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Okay. You're looking for study visa.
Yes,
So do you have
masters.
any plans, like when are you going to give exam? Like soon, the
This
month of
2022, ma'am. This month.
22nd of January.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so it's 19. You have only 2 days left.
Yes, ma'am.
You are late. Where were you? We have already completed our one IELTS ka extensive course, and the second course is going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Second course has just begun. Yeah.
Okay. I just use this app for speaking, and later I know about that you run online classes for writing
Oh.
and all those things. So I today I join you.
Oh, so whenever you open any application, na, you should
Yes, ma'am.
explore all the parts of that application.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Definitely.
are giving free IELTS classes since many years. So when it is started with AI speaking, then you have classes also free. Okay. And
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are the live sessions.
Even after I complete my exam, I continue with this app and
Yes.
join your classes. If
Yes.
I got a desired score or not, that doesn't
Hmm.
matter
Hmm.
because I have to improve my speaking and
Yes. That's
reading skill.
sure.
Means
Exactly.
main that things. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's first. Yeah. So as you all know that last session was about speaking. मैंने आपको बोला था कि इस बार जो मेरा एक्सटेंसिव कोर्स है उसमें मैं आपको स्पीकिंग का पार्ट 1 सिर्फ 1 डे नहीं कराऊंगी, इट विल बी फॉर द एंटायर वीक। पूरा वीक ही हम स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, राइट? सो लास्ट सेशन में हमने स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 की प्रैक्टिस करी थी, कुछ बेसिक्स मैंने आपको बताए थे कि स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 होता क्या है, कैसे आपको आंसर्स देने हैं। So let's just revise that thing for few minutes till everyone will join in. So यहाँ पे
Okay.
आपको अपने वन लाइन आंसर्स नहीं देने हैं। डू यू लाइक होम टाउन? यस, आई लव होम टाउन। ऐसे आंसर्स आपको नहीं देने हैं। आपको कैसे आंसर देना है? विद एटलीस्ट 3 sentences. सो 3 sentences, द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस विल बी द डायरेक्ट आंसर, कि आपको आंसर करना है डायरेक्टली कि आपको होम टाउन पसंद है या नहीं पसंद। सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट विल बी द रीजन, अगर आपको पसंद है तो क्यों पसंद है, वट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, वाई आपको यहाँ पर मेंशन करना है, यू हैव टू स्पीक। द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट विल बी एनी स्मॉल डिटेल अबाउट योर क्वेश्चन, लाइक सपोज हेयर इट इज होम टाउन, तो होम टाउन से रिलेटेड आप अपना कोई भी स्टेटमेंट दोगे, और इधर यू कैन पुट एन एग्जाम्पल। So with this same strategy, we will practice again for part 1 कि हम बांध 6 कैसे अचीव करते हैं, 7 कैसे करते हैं, और 8 कैसे करते हैं, राइट? सो आज हम आयल स्पीकिंग का जो सबसे इजी पार्ट है उसको हम सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग वेपन बना देंगे। लगता तो ये बहुत इजी है, बट इसे हम स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे बनाएंगे? इस सेशन में लाइव प्रैक्टिस करके। प्रैक्टिस में पार्टिसिपेट करना इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक। वो हेजिटेशन आपकी हमेशा रहेगी, राइट? तो स्पीकिंग का ना, जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, स्पीकिंग पार्ट वन ये वो पार्ट है जहां पर आप अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बिल्ड करते हो। अगर यहां स्ट्रांग हो गए तो पार्ट टू और थ्री ऑटोमेटिकली आपको इजी लगने लगेगा। तो पार्ट वन में आपको अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल स्ट्रांग दिखाना ही दिखाना है, राइट? इट्स द फर्स्ट पार्ट जिसे एग्जामिनर सुनेगा एंड ही विल थिंक, ही विल जज कि हाँ क्या है इस स्टूडेंट का करंट बैंड लेवल, राइट? सो पार्ट वन में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्कुल हाई होना चाहिए, then only you can go for part 2 and part 3. Good morning, Chanpreet. How are you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very fine. Thank you.
Okay, great. So, as I said, पार्ट वन में आपका इंट्रोडक्शन होता है और कुछ फेमिलियर टॉपिक्स होते हैं। ये कोई आपका जीके का जनरल नॉलेज का टेस्ट नहीं है, ये आपकी सिर्फ इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन का टेस्ट है, राइट? 4 से 5 मिनट का पूरा पार्ट वन होता है, 8 से 10 क्वेश्चंस आपसे यहाँ पर पूछे जाते हैं और वो टॉपिक्स भी क्या होते हैं, आपकी लाइक्स, आपकी डिसलाइक, मतलब आपसे फेमिलियर क्वेश्चंस, आपका होम, आपका स्टडी, आपका वर्क, आपका डेली रूटीन, आपकी हॉबीज, आपका फूड, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपका फ्री टाइम। सो व्हेन आई से एवरी टाइम, मैंने बार बार क्या बोला, आपका। सो दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू टॉक अबाउट एनीबडी एल्स। यहाँ पे हम जनरल बात नहीं करेंगे, किसी और की बात नहीं करेंगे, हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ अपनी, आए, अपनी बात करेंगे, राइट? सो एग्जामिनर आपसे इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं ले रहा, वो आपकी इंग्लिश, आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को इवैल्यूएट कर रहा है। तो अगर मैं फ्लुएंसी की बात करूं कि आपकी फ्लुएंसी ठीक है, नहीं ठीक, अच्छी है, नहीं अच्छी, तो वो कैसे पता चलती है कि आप स्मूथ बोल रहे हो या रुक रुक के बोल रहे हो, हेजिटेट कर रहे हो, बड़े बड़े पॉजेस ले रहे हो, आइडियाज आपके कनेक्टेड है या फिर वो ब्रोकन आइडियाज है, राइट? स्पीकिंग शुड बी लाइक अ फ्लोइंग रिवर। मुंबई के ट्रैफिक की तरह नहीं होना चाहिए जो रुक रुक के स्टार्ट हो रहा है, फिर रुक रहा है, फिर स्टार्ट हो रहा है। नो, नॉट एट ऑल, राइट? लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज, वोकैबलरी में आपको बार बार गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड ऐसे वर्ड्स को नहीं यूज करना। इंजॉयबल, फैसिनेटिंग, रिलैक्सिंग, प्रोडक्टिव, ऐसी वोकैबलरी को आपको यहां पर यूज करना है। देन ग्रामर, कैन आई से आई एम लाइक प्ले क्रिकेट?
No, ma'am.
यस एवरीवन, आई वांट आंसर्स फ्रॉम यू ऑल। अगर मैं बोलूं कि आई एम लाइक
Cannot.
प्ले क्रिकेट, क्या ये करेक्ट है? मेरी ग्रामर यहाँ
No,
ठीक है?
no, it's incorrect, ma'am.
यस,
I
एंड
like
व्हाई
to
इट्स
play cricket.
इनकरेक्ट?
Because the I am or like will not go together. Am and like will not
Yes,
go
it
together.
cannot go together. So I can say I enjoy playing cricket. I like playing cricket.
I fond of cricket.
Yes, so I am like कभी भी साथ में नहीं आता, right? So that means this is wrong. So आपकी grammatical errors नहीं होने चाहिए, right? Okay, let me ask one more. चलो ये बताओ, I am watching TV every day.
Wrong, man. Wrong, wrong.
Hmm,
I
why it
watch
is
TV
wrong? Who
every
will
day.
correct it? कौन correct करेगा? I
I
want you
watch
all to
TV
make
every day.
corrections. Yes,
I watch TV every day, ma'am.
I watch TV every day. Yes. When we are talking about our habits, remember this thing. जब हम अपनी habits की बात करते हैं तो हम present simple
Simple
tense का
present.
use करते हैं. That means I watch TV every day. ठीक है? So when we are using present simple, that means we will talk about our daily habits. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जब भी हम अपनी हैबिट्स की बात करेंगे तो हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल का यूज करेंगे, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू वन मोर, यू हैव टू मेक करेक्शंस। इन माई फ्री टाइम आई प्ले गेम्स। इन फ्री टाइम
Hmm.
आई प्ले गेम्स। सो इज
I
दिस
play
करेक्ट?
game.
क्या ये करेक्ट है?
I think ये correct तो लग रहा है. I play games.
यस एवरीवन, please check, is this correct?
When I'm free, I play game.
Yes, Manpreet. Chanpreet, Sukriti, Rahul, Sushila. In free time, I play games. Yes, Sukriti, are you there?
I usually play games when I am free.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In
मैम
free
इन
time.
मैम अगर फ्री टाइम ये नहीं जस्टिफाई कर रहा कि कौन सा फ्री टाइम, तो अगर हम इन माय फ्री टाइम आई प्ले गेम
Yes, when I'm talking about part one, that is all about me.
अबाउट
In my free time, I play games.
Yes.
Right? We never say in free time, I play game. Okay? So you have to know कि मैं कहाँ पे अपने grammatical errors कर रहा हूं या कर रही हूं. Right? देन अब लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज आपको पता लगा कि हमें बार बार गुड गुड गुड, हमें बहुत हैबिट होती है गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड ऐसे बोलने का, तो वी हैव टू रिप्लेस दिस थिंग. सिमिलरली ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स हमें नहीं करने. फोर्थ थिंग इज प्रोनाउंसिएशन. हमें क्लियर बोलना है, जो भी बोलना है, कोई फेक एक्सेंट नहीं लिखना, सॉरी बोलना. इंडियन एक्सेंट इज कंप्लीटली ओके, राइट. एक्सेंट से कभी भी आपका बैंड स्कोर नहीं बढ़ता. क्लैरिटी और कॉन्फिडेंस अगर आपकी टोन में है तो उससे आपका बैंड स्कोर बढ़ता है, राइट. तो हम कुछ प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट सेशन में प्रैक्टिस कराई थी कि आपका पार्ट वन, उसकी परफेक्ट आंसर लेंथ है एटलीस्ट 3 सेंटेंसेस. ट्राई टू स्पीक फॉर 3 सेंटेंसेस. अगर आप 15 से 20 सेकेंड्स बोलते हो, इट्स गुड इनफ. इससे ज्यादा आपको बोलने की नीड ही नहीं है. एंड यू नो द पावरफुल फॉर्मूला कि हम आंसर को कैसे फ्रेम करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली. सेकेंड विल बी द रीजन वाई वी आर आंसरिंग दैट. थर्ड इज एग्जाम्पल या फिर कोई एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल. अगर आपके पास एग्जाम्पल नहीं है तो आप एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल डालो. ठीक है, करें प्रैक्टिस. यस एवरीवन रेडी?
Yes, ma'am.
रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आपको कुछ चीजों को अवॉइड करना है. और वो चीजें क्या है? मेमोराइज्ड आंसर्स. कोई भी लर्न किया हुआ आंसर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में आपको नहीं बोलना. कोई भी लॉन्ग स्टोरीज नहीं देनी पार्ट वन में. स्पीकिंग का मतलब ये नहीं कि हम कुछ भी स्टोरी बोलते जाएंगे. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. 3 सेंटेंसेस आर गुड इनफ टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन. एंड प्लीज डोंट पैनिक अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन चेंज हो जाता है. डोंट से आई डोंट नो क्विकली. जल्दी से आपको ये भी नहीं बोलना. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू एक्सटेंड योर आंसर. हमेशा आपको नेचुरल साउंड करना है. एंड यू नीड टू लिटिल स्माइल व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग, राइट. एग्जामिनर कोई मॉन्स्टर नहीं होते, वो एक नॉर्मल लिसनर होते हैं. सो दे आर जस्ट लिसनिंग टू यू. सो मेक श्योर कि आप आंसर पूरी क्लैरिटी, पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ और नेचुरल साउंड करते हो दो. ठीक है, क्लियर? यस एवरीवन,
Yes, ma'am.
आर यू ऑल कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ? कोई फेयर नहीं, कोई वन लाइन आंसर्स नहीं होंगे आज. ठीक है. सो आज हम एक्सपैंडिंग का गेम खेलेंगे. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आपको सिर्फ आंसर देना है उसका. ठीक है, यस में आंसर नहीं देना बिल्कुल भी. क्लियर? Now, first question on my screen is this. Who would like to answer first? Yes, Chanpreet. Yes, Chanpreet, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. I like doing job rather than study
Mm-hmm.
because I feel it very confident when doing job,
Hmm.
and I feel very grateful doing tasks every day.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
I like doing my job. Why? Like doing my job. Yes, I like my job because it allow me to learn new things and improve my skills. So मेरे 2 सेंटेंस हुए. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज ऑलवेज एन आंसर. डू यू लाइक योर जॉब? or studies? I like my job. Second statement, it allow me to learn new things and improve my skills. Third will be any example, any extra detail. I suppose I do not have any example. कि मैं क्या बोलूं? Then I find it quite interesting and satisfying. So I got my 3. That's it. Just think and plan your answer जब आपके पास वो कुछ seconds हैं, that 5-10 seconds जो आपके पास हैं to give your answer. Yes, anybody else? Sukriti, would you like to try? Do you like your job or studies?
I love job and I'm currently working as an admin with Cintas company. I found my job quite enjoyable. It is well organized and matches my strengths in planning and communication.
That's it. Yes. Rahul, do you like your job or studies?
Yes, I like my study because they help me build my knowledge and improve my skills also.
Yes. Now, Chanpreet, can you try again about your job?
Yes, I like to do job
Mm-hmm.
rather than study because I found it quite interesting and enjoyable to do my daily tasks.
Right. Better than before, right? Okay. Now I want to listen from Sushila. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. The same question for you.
I like studies. They help me improve my study skills.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, I am learning the English language
Mm-hmm.
for improve my communication skills.
Okay. Any errors here? Yes. किसी को कोई एरर दिखा इसमें? Yes. Any errors? Okay, who is left? Person with the name of 1 plus. Manisha, yes.
Yes, ma'am. I like my job because I work as a preschool teacher and I love to spend time with them, small children. And I found studies boring than working.
Okay, good. So now see, when you give answers in one sentence, yes, I like my job, it is good. This is a band 5 answer. When you say, yes, I like my job because it is useful for me, again, it is 5.5 to 6. Now, now listen to the third sentence. If I say, yes, I like my job because it helps me learn new skills and gain experience, I also find it quite interesting. So, this answer will automatically boost your score to band 7. Now, if you want to really achieve band score 8, इसी sentence को you can do a little more paraphrasing. Yes, I genuinely enjoy my job as it allows me to grow professionally and develop valuable skills. Overall, I find it both challenging and rewarding. So this is a band 8. See the difference. यहाँ पे you will get band 7. Here you will get band 8. And if you say, I like my job because it is useful for me or helpful to me, then it will only have a band 6. This is band 6 or band 5.5. Not more than that. So now see, you are lying on which band? Do a self evaluation कि आप कौन से level पर हो? How you're speaking? Is your fluency good enough? आपकी वोकैबुलरी कैसी है, आप ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स कितने कर रहे हो, आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसी है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू द प्रैक्टिस फॉर सम मोर क्वेश्चन. डू यू लाइक वॉचिंग टीवी? I want to listen from first. Who is left? Manpreet, can you speak? Do you like watching TV? So sorry, but for the speaking sessions, you have to speak. Yes, Chanpreet. Yes, please.
मैम ये
Hmm.
बैंड 8 आंसर में मैम जो ओवरऑल आई
Hmm.
फाइंड इट बोथ चैलेंजिंग एंड रिवॉर्डिंग.
Hmm.
मैम यू टोल्ड मी टू नॉट टू आंसर इन बायस्ड वे,
Mm-hmm.
सो मैम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं.
Now, what he said, yes, I genuinely enjoy my job as it allow me to grow professionally and develop valuable skills. Overall, I find it both challenging and rewarding. That means my job is both challenging and rewarding. मेरी job challenging भी है और rewarding भी है. He's not talking about study, he's talking about only job here. So there is no contrast. Both is used for challenging and rewarding.
ओके, फॉर
Yeah.
जॉब. फॉर
Yes.
जॉब.
He's talking
ओके मैम.
about both कि चैलेंजिंग तो है मेरी जॉब प्लस रिवॉर्डिंग भी है. अगर मैं चैलेंजेस फेस करता हूं तो मुझे उसके रिवॉर्ड्स भी मिलते हैं. राइट? इट्स नॉट
यस मैम.
अबाउट स्टडी हियर. नाउ ट्राई फॉर डू यू लाइक वॉचिंग टीवी? Okay, one by one, everyone will answer. Sushila, yes. Do you like watching TV? Everyone will listen to her answer. Yes, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes. I enjoy watching TV. Because it helps me fresh my mind. And I also know news about
Okay. So it also sorry, I didn't get the word freeze my mind.
Please.
Fresh. And the second sentence was also a very long pause. Yes, Harpreet. Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV whenever I have leisure time because it helps me to feel relaxed and
That's it. So two sentences only, right? And with some minor pauses. So this was frequent hesitation, which I noticed. Yes, Chanpreet, do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like to watch TV
Hmm.
in my free time, and I feel quite interesting. And there are many TV shows which telecasts, which I really like to watch.
Mhm.
And watching TV is a very uh, relaxing time.
Again,
It
it's
is
the repetition of ideas and taking a longer time to think. So pauses, long pause ho gaya. It was like you stopped in the middle and then you started again with another sentence. Okay, Manisha, yes.
Yes, I like watching TV, especially when I performing my household chores. I watch a variety of programs on a television. Sometime I watch longer movies, and sometime I only listen songs. I wasn't watch them.
There
Sorry,
is a long
I
stress on
don't
the
watch
word
them.
watch. Watch.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't put that much stress on the word watch. Watch. Okay. So it
Yes, ma'am.
will lower down your score in pronunciation. Okay. So who is left? Anyone? Rahul?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, I do like watching TV, but not very often. I usually watch TV in my free times. It helps me relaxed or entertaining.
But yes, I do like watching TV. ऐसे क्यों बोलना? Yes, I enjoy watching TV. Or yes, I quite enjoy watching TV, especially in the evenings after my work. It
Okay.
helps me relax and stay informed. या फिर if you want to go for a higher band, yes, I quite enjoy watching TV, particularly informative and entertainment based programs. It's a convenience way for me to unwind while keeping up with the current events. Yes, Sukriti, go ahead.
Yes,
Hmm.
I enjoy watching TV because it helps me relax and unwind my stress after my busy day. For example, I usually watch short documentaries or some cartoons with my daughter.
Yes, that's good. So that means you are well explaining the part one, that is answer the question directly, then reason why do you watch, and then an example.
How much
Okay.
question? But today the question was, do you like ice cream?
You have your test today.
Yeah, I have a test today.
Oh, wow. That's good. So how was
It
it?
was face to face interaction. It was good.
Hmm.
And my cue card topic was describe an invention you have at your home.
Oh, wow. You can talk about any technological invention, so many things.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I did.
You can talk about your phone, you can talk about your
Yeah.
laptop. At home, if he's talking, you can talk about the microwave, the OTGs, everything,
Yes.
right?
I talked
Okay.
about my smart technology air fryer.
Yes, that's cool. Okay, now let's talk about Sukriti's question. Do you like ice cream? Yes. So what did you answer, Sukriti?
Mom, I told that yeah, I love ice cream because in the past I used to be a ice cream lover, but recently due to my cholesterol levels, my doctor has banned me completely
Hmm.
consuming the ice cream.
Yeah.
So she said, "Oh, so poor," and then she told me, "Go and have a chill and get some ice cream today." I said, "No,
Wow.
I can't."
Yeah, that is, see what actually speaking test is. They never let you they never let you down in the speaking test. They always motivate you to speak. So
Actually, ma'am, she was extra gentle and she was
yes,
smiling on in
yes,
the speaking. It was not, I didn't feel like that I'm giving a test. It was
yes,
like I'm conversing with you, like you, I'm
exactly.
conversing. It
Yes.
was like the same environment was there.
Exactly. So IELTS speaking test is like this. You never treat an examiner a monster or somebody you need to be afraid of. They are just like a person you are conversing with. Like we usually converse with our friends or family in English. So the same way you have to treat. Okay? Okay, now let's ask Harpreet. Do you like ice creams?
Yes, I really like ice cream, especially in summer days because it's my favorite. Fa- I'm stuck.
It's
Okay.
my favorite as a dessert after meals. Right? Okay.
Yes,
Manisha,
ma'am.
yes. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream, but nowadays I cannot eat a lot of ice cream because it make me throat irritation.
Hmm. Because दो बार आ गया है ना. Try to
Okay,
replace the word because. As
okay.
करो या कोई और reason contractor use करो, but not as. Yes. So Sheila, do you like ice cream?
Yes, I enjoy ice creams, especially chocolate and vanilla flavors.
Okay. That's it. Two sentences. Try to add more. नहीं तो 5.5 ही रहेगा. 6.5 नहीं होगा. Yes, Rahul. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I really like ice cream, especially during the summer times. But I don't eat very often because I am health conscious. So
Okay. Chanpreet.
I frequently like to eat ice cream
Hmm.
after my meals, and I found it very tasty.
Hmm.
And there are many flavors of ice creams which
Hmm.
I love,
Hmm.
especially the blackcurrant.
Hmm. So you can say, I usually prefer having it as an occasional treat after dinner. I'm quite fond of ice cream as it's both refreshing and enjoyable, especially during the hot summer days. Right? You just need to upgrade your vocabulary a little bit, everyone. ठीक है, अगर आप सबको बैंड 7 एंड अबव टारगेट करना है, यू नीड टू सी कि हम जो सेंटेंसेस बोल रहे हैं उसमें रीजन, डिटेल्स, नेचुरल फ्लो हो, प्लस एक वोकैबलरी लाइक स्लाइटली, अगर आप थोड़ी सी एडवांस वोकैबलरी कर लेते हो, उसमें कोई मेमोराइज आंसर नहीं डालते हो, आपकी टोन कॉन्फिडेंट है, nobody can stop you from achieving band 7 or 8 in your entire speaking test. Okay, now let's answer. Who was left? किसका टर्न नहीं आया? Please tell me. My next question is, do you like cooking? Yes. Do you like cooking? Sushila.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Do you like cooking?
Mm, yes, I like cooking,
Hmm.
um, but I'm not good at make cook,
I'm not good at
make meal.
new recipes or to make new meals or the simple meals at home. Okay, now next one is Rahul. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking,
Not
especially in my
cooking.
free.
S नहीं आएगा. I like cooking.
Okay.
Hmm.
Especially in my free time, I make simple and healthy meals.
Hmm. Right. So during my free time, I usually cook simple meals at home or simple meals. Yes, next one. Chanpreet, do you like cooking?
Yes, I do enjoy cooking, especially when I have enough time,
Hmm.
and I find it quite relaxing
Hmm.
and satisfying,
Hmm.
as it allows me uh, to be creative and experimental
Hmm.
with some ingredients.
Yes, good. थोड़ा सा pause हो गया, otherwise it was good. Like you can maintain your fluency, but due to the pause, it actually hampers your score. Okay, next, Manisha, do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking, but I don't like the routine to cook routine meal. I only like prepare the different food and different beverages.
So I especially like experimenting with new dishes or on the weekends, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sukriti, do you like cooking?
I love I love to cook because it allows me to be creative and eat healthy food as I have become health conscious nowadays. For example, I often cook quick vegetarian meals at home instead of eating outside.
Yeah, good. But that was little too
Yeah,
quick.
I was
Yeah.
busy. I was doing cooking at this moment, so that's why
Okay. Okay.
I caught between the two tasks.
Yeah. Harpreet, do you like cooking?
Yes, I'm very fond of cooking, and I especially cooking in the evening time because it helps me to be creative.
Okay. Now, who is left? Hemant, do you like shopping? Hemant, do you like shopping? All the females and the males nowadays, they love shopping, right?
No,
No, you don't like shopping, huh?
no, ma'am. That will take a lot of time and effort as well.
Yes, Hemant, are you there to answer the question? Okay, now let's ask Harpreet, do you like shopping?
Being a shopaholic person, I really like shopping, especially on weekends and during festival days.
Hmm. Now, not only especially weekends and during, especially during,
Okay.
or you can say during weekends or festival days or festival seasons. Rahul, do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shoppings, but I don't. It's very often. I usually shop when I am need and sometimes festival time.
Hmm. And why are you putting S shoppings again? No, ठीक है. I
Okay,
enjoy
sorry, ma'am.
shopping as I can explore new products, new trends, or you can say I usually plan my purchases to avoid overspending. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Who is left now? Sushila, do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping, especially in vacations, for clothes and new products.
Hmm. Especially for clothes and daily essentials. Chanpreet, do you like shopping? Okay, no. Do you like reading books?
I like reading books as it gives me more ideas and knowledge.
Hmm.
And in my free time, I really prefer to read books of various kind.
Hmm.
And I usually like to read novels.
Hmm. Particularly the novels. Now, you mentioned something key knowledge and all. So, you can talk about as it broadens my perspective and improves my vocabulary. So, you can upgrade a little vocab part here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Paraphrasing.
Yes. The more you do the paraphrasing, the more scores you get because you're actually working on your grammar part, your vocabulary part. The two things, your fluency, coherence, and pronunciation, is how you speak that answer. Next question. Do you like taking photos? Yes, Manisha.
Uh, i- no, I don't like taking photos, and I don't like someone took my photos as well because I enjoy the real moment. I'm not believe in a
Hmm.
past and using. Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm. You can repeat again. Start from the beginning. No problem.
Okay, I don't like
Hmm.
taking photos, and I don't like someone took my photos
Hmm.
because I really enjoy the present time.
Hmm.
Uh, that's why.
So you can say, no, I don't really enjoy taking photos because I'm not very interested in photography. I prefer enjoying the moment rather than capturing it. Right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Harpreet, do you like taking photos? Harpreet, you are on mute.
Yes, I really like taking photos because it helps me to keep memories and
Hmm.
to keep memories safe.
Hmm. Now give one example. I usually take photos during the trips or whenever I'm traveling. Simple.
Okay.
Add one sentence, one example. And one more thing I want to tell everyone, please try to replace the word because. Do you like taking photos? I like taking photos because. I don't like taking photos because. पता है it's a problem with every Indian student because during the school days हमें पढ़ाया ही ऐसे जाता था कि अगर आपको आंसर लर्न करना है तो पहले क्वेश्चन में से पूरा स्टेटमेंट देन बिकॉज के बाद लर्न कर लो रिमेम्बर
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आई बिलीव एवरी स्टूडेंट हेयर हैज केम अक्रॉस दिस थिंग कि पहले जो स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है उसे लिखना है एंड देन बिकॉज के बाद आप आंसर को पढ़ो और वही लर्न कर लेना. So we have a habit of this. That's why we are not able to score in speaking module. इसीलिए हम speaking module में अच्छा score नहीं कर पाते. Because we have a habit of that rote learning. We are not able to generate ideas and speak. But it's really okay. We are not living in a country where English is the only language, right? So we will work on this कि हम because नहीं बोलेंगे. We will try to replace this word. Yes, I enjoy photography. अब मैंने taking photos बोला. Do you like taking photos? You can just do a little paraphrasing. I like taking photos की जगह क्या बोलो? I enjoy photography. और I enjoy taking photos भी अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो because मत बोलो. As it allow me to preserve memories and express creativity. I especially like taking photos during trips or during my travel. So I'm not using the word because हमें इतनी आदत है because की कि हम हर sentence में because कर देते हैं. Okay? Next question. Do you like going out with your friends? Manisha. No, Manisha's turn was done. Chanpreet, do you like going out with friends?
Yes, I like to spare time with my friends,
Hmm.
and we do different activities together, and that are all enjoyable
Hmm.
and fun. We gather at the weekends. That's all.
You're taking long pause to decide what
Ideas,
to think. Yes.
lack of ideas, ma'am.
Yes, that's the lack of idea. So I really enjoy spending time with my friends as it strengthens our relationships. We usually catch up over foods or outings during weekends. Okay, Rahul, do you like going out with friends?
Yes, I love to spend time with my friends.
Hmm.
I used to go outside with my friends for sports activities, and sometime I go any for festival times. So this time for me relaxed, and at the moment I enjoy with them.
Hmm. So this time is for me to relax. Next question, Manisha, do you like learning English?
Yes, ma'am. I like learning English because it's uh, allow me to understand the new culture.
Hmm.
Because how they use the certain words like vocabulary
Hmm.
in different manners, and I don't understand before learning English.
Hmm.
So that is the great help to learn English.
Hmm.
Help
Okay.
to me to learn English.
Harpreet, do you like learning English? You have to unmute yourself and speak, Harpreet. Sorry. Harpreet?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Sorry, ma'am, due
It's
to
okay.
network problem.
Yes.
Question repeat करना.
Do you like learning English?
Uh, yes, as we all know, English is a global language, so I really prefer to learn English as it helps me to uh, idea is
Pause.
great.
Long pause. Okay, who is left? So, Sheila, do you like learning English?
Yes, I really love learning English. It helps me improve my communication skills.
Hmm. And you have to speak for at least 3 sentences. Your target should be 7 and above. Janpreet, yes. Do you like learning English?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I do like learning English.
You have a habit of using do in every sentence, every beginning. Please try to replace I do, no. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I like learning English.
Hmm.
I find it very useful,
Hmm.
especially because it helps me communicate with people from
Hmm.
different backgrounds and improves my career opportunities.
Yes. That's it. It's good enough. And when you say career opportunities, that means you want to speak more. right? Your intonation was that you are likely to speak more, but then eventually you stop, right? So do not give this type of intonation. Just stop your answer when you feel that, yes, this is the end. So I genuinely enjoy learning English as it improves my communication skills and open up global opportunities. I find the learning process quite motivating, or it is also useful for my studies and career. Simply, you have to speak 3 sentences. The more you speak, the more you practice, तभी स्पीकिंग इंप्रूव होगी. इफ यू से कि मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स को रीड कर लूं एंड आई एम गोना गिव इन एग्जाम, ऐसा नहीं होगा, राइट? यू हैव टू डू योर सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन. आप खुद को जज करो, खुद एग्जामिनर बनो अपने, ठीक है? स्पीक योर आंसर, रिकॉर्ड योर आंसर एंड जस्ट लिसन बैक कि कहाँ कहाँ आपने करेक्शंस की नीड है और कहाँ कहाँ आपने गलतियां करी, राइट? So always extend your answer with natural flow. Reasons दो, example दो, details दो, ताकि वो एक restricted, देखो स्पीकिंग है, जब तक स्पीक नहीं करोगे हाउ एग्जामिनर विल इवैल्यूएट? एक ही सेंटेंस बोल दोगे या 2 सेंटेंस बोल दोगे, एग्जामिनर कैसे आपको बैंस देंगे, राइट? एक एक्स्ट्रा लाइन अगर आप वहां ऐड करते हो, इट विल बी एन एक्स्ट्रा पुश टू योर बैंड स्कोर, right? So I like traveling, I like learning English because it is interesting. इतना आपको एंड अप नहीं करना. Yes, Harpreet, try again. Do you like learning English? You are on mute. Harpreet? Harpreet, do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English because as it helps me to improve my communication skills and open more opportunities.
Yes. देखो टॉपिक आपका कोई भी हो, बिकॉज एनी टॉपिक कैन कम इन योर एग्जाम, कोई भी आ सकता है. एंड आइल स्पीकिंग टॉपिक्स आर नॉट दोज जिसपे आप कुछ ना बोल पाओ. इट्स ऑल जनरल, डेली रूटीन, डेली लाइक्स डिसलाइक, आपकी डेली लाइफ से रिलेटेड आपके क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सो आंसर हमेशा आपका डेवलप होना चाहिए. कोई भी एक एक्स्ट्रा लाइन ऐड करो, बट गिव इट, क्योंकि एक एक्स्ट्रा इंप्रेशन से आपका स्कोर बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा. ओके, गॉट इट एवरीवन? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, tell me any doubt, any queries in any of the topic in part 1, because tomorrow is Tuesday, right? So what we will cover tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow I will cover some few topics जिस पे रिलेटेड मैं आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ, प्लस हम ग्रामर करेक्शंस भी करेंगे. सो आई वांट यू लिटिल प्रिपेयर कि आप पार्ट 1 के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर करके आना फॉर द डेली टॉपिक्स, चाहे वो होम हो, होम टाउन हो, स्टडी हो. प्लस बैंड 6 या 7 वाला जो भी आप मुझे आंसर दोगे, हम उसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. इफ यू आर गिविंग अ बैंड 6 आंसर, वी विल कन्वर्ट इट टू 7. अगर आप बैंड 7 दोगे तो हम उसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे बैंड 8 में, राइट? सो वी विल डू अ लाइव कन्वर्जन, और आप खुद उसे कन्वर्ट करोगे, नॉट ओनली मी, यू विल डू इट. ठीक है? सो यू नो द डिफरेंस कि अगर मेरा बैंड 6 आया एग्जाम में, क्यों आया? बिकॉज मैंने ये सेंटेंस बोला था. अब मेरा बैंड 8 आया है, तो वो क्यों आया? क्योंकि अब मैंने सेंटेंस को ऐसे स्पीक करा. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो यू ऑल विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर टुमारो सेशन. अगेन पार्ट 1 की ही हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फॉर दिस होल वीक. Then I will start. Once I know that all my students are good enough to speak at a level of band 7, only then I will move to speaking part 2. ओके, सी आई डोंट वांट टू जस्ट कंप्लीट दिस कोर्स. मेरा मोटिव ये नहीं है कि मैं आपको 30 डेज या 22 डेज में पूरा आइल्स का कोर्स करा के कंप्लीट करूं. नो, आई वांट ऑल ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स टू अचीव दैट लेवल विच दे नीड, चाहे वो 7 हो, 7.5 हो या 8 हो. सो माई माइंडसेट, माई स्ट्रैटेजी इज दैट. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली कंप्लीटिंग द कोर्स तो अभी मैंने पहले भी 3 महीने पूरा कोर्स कराया. If you can see the recorded classes वाले section में आप देख सकते हो, that course was started I guess in November maybe, so November, December and then ended in January, so 2.5. right? But this course will be very, very extensive, I would say, because I'm going to teach for the entire 1 week only part one. So I don't think कि ये कितना long जाने वाला है, whether it will take 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months. But I want the ones who are joining, they should be regular here, be attentive, do some live practice, be engaged here. Only then I can help you. If you have any problem, like if Manpreet is not able to speak, I know the genuine reason because she is in school, but still I would like कि if you are able to speak, प्लीज स्पीक, बिकॉज आई कांट इवेल्युएट इफ यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग. अगर आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, स्पीक नहीं करोगे, हाउ आई एम गोना जज यू? आई कांट डू द इवेल्युएशन, right? So anyhow you have to do the practice, you have to engage yourself in the session. Only then I can check your mistakes, can rectify and give you the best solution of it, right? So आज के बाद अगर आप एक लाइन बोलोगे तो खुद आपको याद दिलाना है that you are not allowed to speak one line, you are allowed to speak three. Even regularly, if you're conversing with anybody in your home or at your workplace, try to speak 3 sentences, not one. Okay? Good to go? Yes, everyone.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
good?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Any queries? Tell me. No?
Ma'am, yes, I have.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes they ask a very difficult question like yesterday I took a test and the question was tell me something about your mobile phone. And they asked me same question 2 times. Even I don't know very much about mobile phone. So what should I do?
Tell me something about mobile phone was part one or part two?
In a part one, ma'am.
So what you can speak about your mobile phone? बताओ. Right.
वो I don't know क्या बोलूं मैं उसके लिए.
See, you have to think. मोबाइल फोन आपका है?
Yes.
कौन से ब्रांड का है? कौन से कलर का है? What do you use it for?
अच्छा. Yes,
How, why,
ma'am.
what, where, सब. लिया कब था? ये भी बता दो.
अच्छा.
Anything. Yes.
Okay.
Try.
I
I
thought
want you to try right now.
okay. I bought my mobile phone last month. It is it worth about 24,000 rupees, and it has I don't know.
So I have
It's
a
in a
smartphone
black
which I
color.
use
Yes.
every day. Like suppose I'm giving you, I have a smartphone which I use every day. I use it for calling and using the internet. Simple. Or you want to just make it more. I mainly use it for communication. अब मैंने calling का क्या करा? Communication. Using the internet की जगह मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ? Social media and online payments. So that's
Because
a
sometimes they asked very weird questions, and
no,
I think
there are nothing. Can't you speak about your mobile phone, which is you're using every day? So it's
okay.
just because you're not able to generate ideas,
Yes, ma'am.
right? They never ask you any topic जिस पे आप बोल नहीं सकते. They are all general one, right? They are all basic. So don't worry. In the upcoming sessions, we are going topic wise. So tomorrow we will cover some topics, the basic topics for speaking part one, and the another day again some few topics. Okay. So in this way, you will cover all the topics of your speaking part one. Okay. Okay then. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Keep on
Bye.
practicing.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.